Hey, how are you? Welcome on my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are in the world.
Hello everyone, today I will show you the emergency generator on board a chemical tanker. This generator has 160 kilowatts active power and supply at 440 volts AC. The purpose of the emergency generator is to give power to the electrical equipment on board when the main generators fail for any reason. This generator is usually in auto mode, as you can see here, and it has to start by itself in about 45 seconds after power cuts off at the main switchboard. Here I have printed some instructions, very easy to follow, because according to the SOLAS regulation, any crew member should know how to start this emergency generator, even chief cook for example, in case I am injured or unable to get to this location, or any other engineer. Before you make any test on this generator, you have to check the level of the cooling water, the level of the lubricating oil, and the level of the fuel in the fuel tank. This is a diesel tank. If you want to start this generator for testing purpose, you have to do as follow. You select manual in the start settings and you press the green button, which is the start button. And after you have finished with your testing, you just press the red button, which is the stop button. It is my duty as electrical officer to check this equipment every Saturday on a weekly basis. Once per month I have to check this equipment on load. For this I will start one of the critical equipment like the steering gear or the emergency fire pump, and I will load the emergency generator up to 120 or 150 kilowatts. This generator starts by battery and you have two groups of battery. Each group is 24 volts total DC. Each battery has 12 volts DC. Only one group is needed to start the generator. This is the emergency switchboard. Here is the 220 volts supply panel, like for navigation lights or engine control console and many more, as you can see here. On this side is the 440 supply panel for steering gear or emergency lights transformer and many more, as you can see here on the panel. Whenever I need to test the emergency generator, I have to switch from inside here the bus line from the main switchboard to the emergency switchboard. In normal operation, like when we are at sea, the sequence switch is in normal position, but if you want to test that the emergency generator is actually starting by itself in 45 seconds, you have to put this switch in test position.
Wait. Did you enjoy the clip? Hit that like button. Maybe you want to subscribe to the channel. I will have new videos every week, just for you.